YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to crack Wi-Fi access points using aircrack-ng suite. So, let's get started, shall we? What I like to do first is bring down the wireless card with ifconfig. The reason for this is to use MAC changer and set the MAC address to a random assigned address. I will now bring the card back up using ifconfig and then start monitor mode on either WLAN0 or WLAN1 depending on your system configuration. You can verify that the Wi-Fi card is now in monitor mode by typing iwconfig. Now we will use airodump to scan for wireless access points. We will now rerun airodump and lock it to channel 13 in this case. And we will write the captured data to a file called capture. To write the data to a file, use -w. We will now have to wait to see any active clients or users attempting to access this BSSID. In the meantime, you will want to set up another terminal window and run airplay-ng. Airplay-ng allows you to deauthorize any connected clients in order to receive a four-way handshake. -A is the access point or BSSID, and -c is the client or station ID that you want to deauth from the access point. Remember, you can leave out -c and this will kick all users. As you can see, we have now captured the four-way handshake. Now it is time to crack the encrypted handshake. Firstly, I will verify that we do in fact have the handshake by using Wireshark. Now we will use aircrack-ng and the captured handshake against a short word list. This may or may not take time due to the word list and passkey used. Oh yeah baby, looks like we got it. Now you can jump on your neighbor's Wi-Fi and do some more damage. Only joking. Ha 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 ha.